Hi folks, how's it going? Now I've managed to hook the compressor to the tank, and it was basically really a simple procedure. I just unscrewed these four bolts and I got that there motor out, and I just cut a bit of wood for the base, and I've mounted it on the top of the tank. I also made a little hole for the capacitor so it can be snug in there. Um, yeah, so everything is on wheels, so I can just like it's portable. Um, uh, what else? Yeah, the what's it called, the pressure switch was something was wrong with the pressure switch. The I don't have it with me now because I've took it to some friend to see if he can fix it, but probably not because the what's it called? Uh, like the unloader valve was unloader valve was leaking air constantly, so it didn't got no pressure into the tank because you see this check valve here. It goes into the tank, and one side goes to the pressure switch, and the pressure switch was just leaking air. So, yeah, that's what you get when you buy like a cheap compressor. This one's probably Chinese because it was so cheap, but I was just worried about the air tank, and it's pretty good. I have like mounted it here. I'm going to I'm gonna turn this base here so that um, this hose goes all the way here. So I'm probably gonna turn it, but I'm not sure about that. Anyway, I hooked it up with don't know how to describe it properly, but the hose and this clamp here. So it's quite sturdy. It doesn't leak air. So just into the check valve. And what I did before was there was two gauges here. One was here and that one there was over there, and there was a pressure switch. So what I did to test the air tank was I just clamped down. I disconnected the pressure switch and just run the compressor and just put my finger here on the hole, and the air went into the tank. And I can see on the gauge that it built up 2 bars. I don't know how much that is in psi. So let's see, 2 bars is I don't know, 30 psi or something like that. Anyway, I don't know. And then I put my finger off, and the air stayed into the tank. So this tank is working okay. I already like tested the regulator, and you can adjust the pressure on port number 1, and the port number 2 is just constant, like standard maximum pressure of, I think it's 6 bar. And once again, I have to see, a 6 bar is somewhere under 100 psi. So yeah, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna wait for the pressure switch to come, because I got the new one coming on its way, but I'm gonna wait for that. And next thing is going to be making a foot pedal. But when I have a new pressure switch and everything working together, I'll make another video. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys posted.